Striped enigma, zebras are undoubtedly some of the most iconic and intriguing animals of the African savanna. With their distinctive black and white stripes, these equids are not only visually striking but also possess a range of fascinating characteristics and behaviors that have captured the imagination of people around the world. In this exploration of the zebra, we will delve into their biology, behavior, habitat, and conservation status to gain a deeper understanding of these enigmatic creatures. Classification and biology: zebras belong to the genus Equus, which includes horses and donkeys, and are part of the equidae family. The three primary species of zebras are the plains zebra, Equus quagga, Grevy's zebra, Equus grevii, and the mountain zebra, Equus zebra. Each of these species has its unique characteristics, but they all share the distinctive black and white stripe pattern that makes them instantly recognizable. Zebras are herbivorous mammals with a diet consisting mainly of grass. They have evolved several adaptations to help them thrive in their grassland habitats. For instance, their elongated, sharp-edged incisors and molars are perfectly suited for grazing on coarse grasses. Their digestive system is also well equipped for breaking down the tough cellulose found in grass, one of the most defining features of zebras, and the characteristic that makes them stand out the most, is their black and white stripes. The precise function of these stripes has long been a subject of scientific inquiry and debate. Several theories have been proposed to explain their purpose. The first theory suggests that stripes serve as a form of camouflage, breaking up the zebra's outline and making it more challenging for predators like lions and hyenas to single out an individual in a group. Another theory posits that stripes help regulate body temperature by creating air currents that cool the zebra. Additionally, recent research suggests that stripes may help deter disease-carrying flies from landing on zebras, as the stripes seem to disrupt the fly's ability to land accurately. In terms of reproduction, zebras typically have a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 months. The foals are usually highly mobile and able to stand and walk soon after birth. They rely on their mothers for protection and nourishment, and the bond between a mother and her foal is strong. Behavior and social structure: zebras are known for their strong and complex social structures. They are generally gregarious animals, often found in groups or herds. These herds can vary in size, but they usually consist of several adult females, their young, and a dominant male known as a stallion. The stallion is responsible for protecting the herd and maintaining order within it. Within the herd, zebras exhibit a variety of social behaviors. They groom each other as a form of bonding, which also helps to remove parasites and maintain healthy skin. Vocalizations, such as braying, are used for communication within the group. Zebras can be quite vocal, especially when they feel threatened or are coordinating group movements. One of the most remarkable aspects of zebra behavior is their migration patterns. The plains zebra, for example, is known for its seasonal migrations, traveling long distances in search of fresh grazing grounds and water. These migrations can involve thousands of individuals and are essential for the survival of the species. Habitat and range: zebras are primarily found in various regions of Africa, depending on the species. The plains zebra is the most widespread and can be found in a range of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and woodlands across eastern and southern Africa. Grevy's zebras, on the other hand, inhabit more arid and semi-arid regions, like the deserts and grasslands of East Africa. Mountain zebras are naturally restricted to more rugged and mountainous terrain in southern Africa. Their choice of habitat is closely tied to their specific dietary and water needs. Zebras are often observed near water sources and open grasslands, as these areas provide them with the sustenance and water required for survival. Conservation status: while zebras continue to roam the African plains, they are not without their share of challenges. Conservation efforts are in place to protect and preserve these magnificent creatures, as they face threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The IUCN Red List categorizes the plains zebra as near-threatened, Grevy's zebra as endangered, and mountain zebra as vulnerable. These classifications highlight the need for conservation measures to ensure the survival of these species. Habitat loss due to human activities, such as agriculture and infrastructure development, is a significant threat to zebras. It leads to the fragmentation of their natural habitats and can isolate populations, making it difficult for them to find suitable mates and resources. Poaching is another serious concern, especially for Grevy's zebras, which are highly sought after for their striking appearance. Their distinctive skin and hide make them a target for illegal trade, and efforts to combat this activity are essential to their conservation. Climate change poses an additional challenge, as shifts in weather patterns can impact the availability of food and water for zebras. They may be forced to migrate longer distances or face increased competition with other species for limited resources. Efforts to protect zebras involve a combination of strategies, including the establishment of protected areas and wildlife reserves, conservation breeding programs, and raising awareness about the importance of these species to their ecosystems and the world's biodiversity. Cultural significance: zebras hold a special place in the hearts and cultures of the African people. They have been featured in folklore, art, and symbolism for centuries. The image of zebras has been incorporated into various aspects of African culture, from clothing and jewelry to tribal stories and rituals. In many African societies, zebras are seen as symbols of unity and family bonds due to their strong social structures. They also symbolize freedom, as they are creatures of the open plains and embody the spirit of the untamed wilderness. In Western cultures, zebras have become iconic symbols of Africa and the natural world. Their unique black and white stripes have inspired fashion, design, and art. They are often featured in children's literature and toys, captivating young minds and fostering an early love for wildlife. Conclusion: zebras, with their striking appearance and intriguing behaviors, are a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Their role in the African ecosystem, cultural significance, and the challenges they face in the modern world make them a symbol of the need for conservation and the preservation of biodiversity. These enigmatic animals continue to capture the imagination of people worldwide, serving as a reminder of the wonders of the animal kingdom. As we work to protect their habitats and ensure their survival, we not only safeguard the future of zebras but also contribute to the health and balance of the ecosystems they call home.